Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today it's actually Sunday, uh, April the 3rd, 2022. We have today no newspaper because this weekend edition is the Saturday and the Sunday together. So, in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, we have no extra puzzles. So I promise you to continue with the edition of Thursday. Yes, the Thursday edition, March the 31st, 2022. We have four puzzles left: the One Star Sudoku, the Two Star Sudoku, Tectonic with one star, and the Binary. Four puzzles are left. But first I will solve this baby number 4353. Yeah, 4353. Oh, apologies. Oh, bumped the camera. Okay, 4353. Need to position the camera again. All right. Zoom this out. Yes. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the One Star Sudoku has always 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for One Star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. And let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2. And the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2, that 2 should be there. Then, 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. All right. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. All right. Then. Two missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes here. All right. Then. Yeah, two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. In the middle row, 9 in the row below. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. Okay. 6, 3, 6, 8. I'm thinking. We have a pair, 1 and a 2 in this column, 1 and a 2 in the column next. So on that last column, the only two places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. Let me think. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. Okay. 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking. Come on. All right. 6. No. 8, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have 8 and a 3 in the third row. So no 8 and 3 in these two boxes. The 8 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 3, 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. Yeah, we have a 5 in this first row. 5 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, wait. We have 2 missing numbers in the third column. The 9 and the 5. 9 and 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 6. Do we have all the 5s? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Okay. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 it should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 are missing. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Look, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Final 2 numbers of this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes for a 1-star Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those for more than 7 weeks. I will stop after 10 weeks. And maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. So leave a comment. I will post the Excel file with all those data. Here we have 738, 738, 216, 216, 351, 351. Well, we have here the one as a pair. Oh, apologies again. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 3 as a pair. So 2 pairs we have here. The 1 and the 3. All right. Thank you. And see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A 2 stars Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye-bye for now.